In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the creation date of a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Knowing the creation date of a document can be incredibly useful, especially when you need to track the origin or timeline of your documents. With Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, this process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to begin by opening your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. To do so, launch Adobe Acrobat on your device and navigate to the File menu, which you can find in the top left corner of the application. From there, click Open and browse through your files to select the PDF document you wish to analyze. If Adobe Acrobat is not your default PDF application, you might need to right-click on the file, choose Open with Showcase, and then select Adobe Acrobat Pro DC from the list of programs. Once your file is open, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Here you'll find various options, but for our purpose you'll want to click on File. After clicking File, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Properties. This step opens a new window that provides detailed information about your PDF document. Within the Properties window you will see several tabs. Focus your attention on the one labelled Description. Click on this tab to open up more information about your document. The Description tab contains a variety of key details about the file, including the document's title, author, subject, and keywords. Most importantly for us, it also lists the creation date of the PDF file, usually located towards the bottom of the descriptive information. The creation date provides information on when the file was originally created and saved as a PDF. It's a handy detail to know, especially if you are sorting files by creation date or need to confirm details for archival reasons. This basic but fundamental feature ensures that you can keep track of your documents and their respective timelines. Before wrapping up, let me share a couple of tips that might come in handy. If you are frequently viewing document properties, you might find it useful to memorize the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on a Mac. This quick access shortcut opens the document properties window directly, saving you a bit of time. Additionally, while in the properties window, explore other tabs like security and fonts for more insights into your document. And there you have it. You can now easily identify when any PDF was created using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.